Tonight's matchup between Alexander and Nelsonville York was a high-energy, well-played game. The Lady Buckeyes hung in there early, but eventually the cream rose to the top as the Lady Spartans were victorious 54-36. The Lady Buckeyes got off to a fast start, leading 5-0 at one point early in the contest. After the first quarter, it appeared that an upset was looming as Nelsonville led 16-12 thanks to Maria Martinez's 10 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 blocks. But it didn't take long for the Spartans to tighten up their defense and take control of the game. The Buckeyes would only score in single digits each quarter for the rest of the game, while Alexander's performance continued to improve. Spartans head coach Denton Guthrie attributed their success to a slower tempo of gameplay.
In the locker room was how we responded to that, and I thought they'd done a nice job of taking better shots. I thought we got in a hurry, rushed our shots. That's why we missed a lot of them. I thought we were just in a, just shot the ball quick. And once we come down, settled down, shot the ball in rhythm, we started making them.
For Alexander, Kayla Radican had 13 points, Morgan Grinstead contributed 11 points, and Caitlin Guthrie added 10. Nelsonville's Kelly Cox had 11 points, Maria Martinez put up 10 points, and Shelby True grabbed 7 boards. Another show is up on our website, woub.org/heroes. Check it out for the most extensive TVC coverage in the area. Our show will air online every Saturday and will showcase all the week's action.